Okay, moving right along. These next two folks are one half of a band from New York called Blissful Kissful. They play pretty regularly at places like the Media Factory and CBGB's, and consist of Gideon the Archangelo and Gary Meister. Gary Meister was also part of a band that I remember somewhat from New York called You and What Army. So let's give a Boston welcome to Gideon the Archangelo and Gary Meister of Blissful Kissful.
Well, okay, there's got to be a microphone. Just give us a minute to set up and we'll... Such a small place to practice, just bring it all in close and no machines. But, well, let's amplify things for drama's sake. My partner, a minute or so. Okay. Well, Gary gets it up on it. Check that. Do a little sound check. Where have you been, Jimmy Randall, my son? Where have you been, my handsome young one? I've been to my true love, mama. I've been to my true love, mama. Make my bed soon, mama, for I'm sick to my heart. Where are your hounds, Jimmy Randall, my son? Where are your hounds, my handsome young one? They swelled up and died, mama. They swelled up and died, mama. Make my bed soon, mama, I'm sick to my heart. What did you eat, Jimmy Randall, my son? What did you eat, my handsome young one? Fried eels and onions, mama. Fried eels and onions, mama. Make my bed soon, mama, for I'm sick to my heart. I'm feared your poison, Jimmy Randall, my son. I'm feared your poison, my handsome young one. I'm feared I'm poison, mama. I'm feared I'm poison, mama. Make my bed soon, mama, for I'm sick to my heart. That comes from Appalachia, the general region of the United States. And it's a brother, or distant cousin of Lord Randall, which comes from the British Isles. And none of my peoples come from the British Isles, but it's a beautiful song nonetheless, so I figured learn it. Now we're going to do one of our songs that we're tandem pairing. Sounds good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heads hanging down on the ground, such pretty right. keep your head high.
Thank you very much.